What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video. That's because we are currently riding Lectric and we are flying on this freaking bike. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me slow it down. Your boy is having way too much fun out here. Currently on my way to the local UPS store. I have a couple packages I need to pick up. And yeah, we're just gonna have some fun today. I'm gonna ride this bike at very high speeds, and then later on I'm gonna link up with my cousin Jam and we're gonna explore his side of town. And yeah, we're just gonna have some fun all around. So just enjoy this video. Hit the like button if you can. That really means a lot. This is the second ride since I've upgraded the brakes, and man, oh man, these joints are incredible. The only thing left to do with Lectric is change out these tires. They're like super worn down, and just add some decals on her. I think she should be good to go. I'm contemplating switching out this handlebar for a BMX style handlebar, but we'll see. Leave a comment down below, let me know your opinion. But yeah, overall, man, this bike is freaking incredible, dude. It's been so long since I rode a fast bike. Ooh, right through the stop sign. Let's do a quick lap around the freaking parking lot. Oh my God, I almost slipped out. This bike is freaking torquey. Ooh, brakes working great. Oh, hugging that corner. Ooh, Dave, you're a freaking professional racer out here. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, this is a Lectric XP 1.0. I did upgrade it tremendously. I added a 72 volt battery and also a 3,000 watt motor. So this thing is pushing out a lot of freaking power. That's why I'm able to go freaking 40 miles per hour on this freaking bike. With all this power, dude, hills are like nothing to this bike. I can easily go up the hill at like 27 miles per hour. Check it out. Come on now. Nothing. We're gonna run through this light. A little freestyling here. Oh yeah, Dave. I am living the life right now. All right, let's see how fast we can go. 33, 35, 39, 40 miles per hour, 42, 43, 44, 44 miles per hour, guys. Come on. Doesn't get any better than that. I mean, I'm sure it does at like 50 miles per hour, but like, come on now, who's trying to go that fast? Currently going 34, 35, 36. This is flat ground. 37, 38, straight through the green light. Oh my goodness, 39 miles per hour. Yeah, your boy is flying. And I've made it to my destination, which is the UPS store. Let's go ahead and pick up these packages. All right, guys, package is secured. Let's go ahead and head back home. I need to answer a couple of you guys' emails. I also need to edit up this video, and yeah, that's pretty much the day until I need to link up with my cousin. Then we're gonna do a jam session. That's gonna be super fun. Oh my God, this thing is freaking moving. Oh yes. Hopefully this guy doesn't stand up randomly. He's probably like, what the hell just passed by me? Currently going uphill at 25 miles per hour. Nothing to Lectric. Can we go over 30 miles per hour on this bike uphill? Yes, we can. It's nothing to Lectric. Let's go, girl. 31. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. I can't wait to see all my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Oh, you're a bad girl. Lectric, you're such a bad girl. I want to take you home and do some nasty things to you. So guys, same day, different time. Out with my cousin Jam. We're about to venture the neighborhood, try to find some dope spots and see what's cool around here. You ready? Let's get it. Jam is on the Varla. I'm on Leticia. I figured I'd bring Leticia because the Varla's pretty fast and I'm tired of getting left behind. So we're about to lead the pack today. There's a freaking lake over here. Pretty dope spot. I filmed over here one time before with my with the Ingwe. Oh yeah, this is super dope. Woo! Yeah, this bike gets out. 40. Jesus. We getting out, huh? All right, so here's the lake right here. Look at this joint. Sick as hell. Look at that. Super big. Ooh. This is sick, huh?
Yeah, I was about 2 seconds away from biting it.
For real?
I'm talking about like getting crushed.
Seriously, dude? Whew. Hello.
Nope.
This is so peaceful, huh? This is it right here. Look how big the joint is, yeah? This is way bigger than the one by my house.
Man, imagine having this in your backyard.
For real, dude. Just coming to the backyard every night. Imagine I go off the edge right there. That would freaking suck.
When we went in that dirt path when we first got near the lake, I had to like foot plant a few times. Dude, I thought I was about to go down.
This bike gets out, dude. Never gets old. These houses are huge. That's crazy. Right here? All right. Crazy. These are homes. These are homes with an L.
Yeah, let's try that real quick.
So which way is back?
Left right here.
Left? Oh, this is the park right here, huh? Dude, this joint about to die. Varla's done. Leticia is working like a dream. I think we're gonna wrap this ride up right here. Dude, we timed that one perfectly. This joint literally just died. That's crazy.
Perfect time.
Dude, that joint looks nice.
Dude, this stuff, I'm about to just go.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You can do whatever. I'm gonna load this in the car. You can do whatever.
Yeah. Dude, this shit is crazy.
Hey, the brakes are good now, huh?
Whoo! All right, this is too much fun.
Guitar or what?
Yeah, this one's a really good time.